Noun. Noun names a person, place, thing, or animal. There are countable nouns or uncountable nouns. In this video, we're going to discuss countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. These are nouns we can count. These nouns have singular and plural form. Example: apple, singular; apples, plurals. So we can make plurals by adding s or es into a singular word. We can use a number, a or an before a noun. These are known as singular countable nouns. Example: there is an apple. We know there is only one apple, so we use here a number an. There is an apple. Singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. For example, there is a Jerry. Here, Jerry is a singular countable noun, so we use here singular verb is. Plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. What does that mean? Just look at the example. There are two Jerrys. Here, Jerrys are plural countable nouns, so we used here plural verb are. So here, the summary of countable nouns. These are nouns we can count. These nouns have singular and plural form. We can use a number, a or an before a noun. Singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. Plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. These are nouns we can't count. These nouns are always singular. We don't use a number, a or an before noun. For example, there is an sugar. There is a sugar. These sentences are incorrect because we don't use a number before uncountable nouns. Always use singular verbs for uncountable nouns. For example, there are some milk. This sentence is also incorrect because we don't use a plural verb with uncountable nouns. There is some milk. This is correct. So here the summary of uncountable nouns. These are nouns we can't count. These nouns are always singular. We don't use a number, a or an before a noun. Always use singular verbs for uncountable nouns.